as I'm recording this, 50 minutes ago, Steve Mathis, or PMX, whatever you want to call him, has said, quote, Sexton out until SMX with shoulder injury. And as I'm looking at X or Twitter, whatever you want to call it, Super Motocross also has an announcement saying Chase Sexton will sit out the remainder of the Pro Motocross Series following his crash in Moto 2 at Ironman. Now, this comes after today, where the team actually put out a release, a statement, whatever you want to call it, which you very rarely ever hear something like this, because it's a mechanical, or kind of a mechanical. They said that the reason for the crash was neither rider nor mechanical error, and that debris got into the rear braking system, preventing Sexton from activating his rear brake. So that's why he supposedly crashed. And who knows? I mean, this is just one of those years for him that's just an absolute wash. Everyone knows he's leaving this team. It's just going to be a question of where does he go and or when, and it's just who knows? I mean, for him, it's a complete wash. He hurt himself in the first round, disappeared for a good portion of this season, and has decided to now be out for the rest of it. And if it actually is a shoulder injury, good. You know, not saying good that he's injured, good that they're actually saying something, or that there is at least some knowledge as to why, not just, hey, I'm going to sit out 50% of the year and not say anything. And I mean, granted, this isn't exactly a long sit out, because there's Unadilla, the 16th, so this weekend, and then also Budds Creek for the finale, the 23rd, and then we're into SMX playoffs, so it's not like he's going to be out for a while. I mean, you consider 1-2 rounds, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever. But you gotta say, it's just, for him, what a just bad end to the year. I mean, all the mistakes in Supercross, and then his motocross season just being, non-existent. Probably he might just be done with KTM. Just, hey, this year sucks. I'm done with this bike. I'm done with this team. I want to move on to my next thing. I'm gonna race as little as possible. And now here's another reason to, or at least an excuse to. I don't know. You guys, comment down below, tell me what you think. Are you excited for the last 2 rounds? Has this season been boring, or this outdoors been boring, for the pure fact that, Deegan and Lawrence have basically dominated the whole time? Whatever it is, comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.